Want to turn WhatsApp into your secret weapon for business? You're in the right place. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to the series where we'll show you how to set up a successful WhatsApp business account. Setting up a WhatsApp business profile can make your brand stand out and unforgettable on the world's favorite messaging app. Think of it as your mini website in the palm of your customer's hands, but faster, smarter, and way more interactive. A WhatsApp business profile is where potential customers can see your business name, description, hours of operation, contact details, location, business category, and even your product catalog. It's the place to show off everything your brand is about and make a lasting impression in just a few steps. Getting started is surprisingly simple. First, download the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store or Google Play. Already have a regular WhatsApp account? You can easily move it over. Prefer a fresh start? Just verify a new number to create your business account. Next, craft your profile by adding your business name, category, and profile picture, the basics that set the tone for your brand. Once your profile is live, it's time to dive deeper. Tap on Explore and then Business Profile under Profile Tools. Here you can fill in your business description, opening hours, location, contact info, and more. Every detail helps customers get to know your brand and builds trust in your services. Don't stop there. Head into the Business Settings menu to unlock WhatsApp Business's powerhouse features, from labels and product catalogs to short links and automated messages. These tools help you engage customers, manage communication, and ultimately make sales. A strong WhatsApp Business profile isn't just a profile, it's your brand's first impression and marketing hub, all rolled into one platform. For tricks about each feature to make your WhatsApp Business account into a running business empire, tune in to the next video. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. WhatsApp users are being warned about a terrifying new cyber threat that could give hackers full control of their accounts, no password needed. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. The attack called ghost pairing was uncovered by security experts at Gen Digital, which took advantage of WhatsApp's own device linking feature to get into accounts. Here's how it works. Victims get a message from a contact they know, but that account has already been hacked. The message is vague, like "I just found your photo," and includes a link. Clicking it seems harmless, often appearing as a Facebook post preview, but it redirects to a phishing website. Once there, users are asked to enter their phone number for verification. Then, attackers start WhatsApp's official device pairing process and make their target to enter a numeric code or scan a QR code. Following these instructions unknowingly connects the hacker's device to the victim's WhatsApp. Once paired, the hacker can read all private messages, view shared photos and videos, and send messages pretending to be the account owner. Many victims don't realize their accounts have been compromised for months, allowing hackers to commit fraud, extort money, or spread the scam further. To stay safe, experts urge to stay away from unsolicited links, even from friends. Always check website URLs carefully and review active connections and linked devices on WhatsApp in settings. Remove any unfamiliar devices immediately and pay attention to alerts when a new device tries to link. A little vigilance can prevent your private chats from falling into the wrong hands. Ghost pairing is shaking you to realize that even trusted apps can be exploited, and one wrong tap could cost you everything. Did you know someone who was hacked like this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. WhatsApp is about to get louder because ads are coming and millions of users won't be able to avoid them. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech updates. Meta has confirmed that WhatsApp will soon start showing ads inside channels and while viewing other people's status updates, marking the biggest shift in WhatsApp's history. And yes, this time the rollout is real. The ads are designed to make users know businesses, letting them discover shops, services, and brands directly inside the app. Meta says the goal is to make it easier to chat with companies about what they're selling. When an ad pops up, users will be able to tap for more info, check the advertiser's profile, or choose to hide or report it. WhatsApp has already started flashing pop-up warnings to selected users, letting them know ads are on the way. Meta says that personal messages, calls, and private status updates will remain fully end-to-end encrypted and are absolutely not used for ad targeting. WhatsApp wants to turn status updates into a discovery hub, and if you see a business promoting a new product, you can start a chat instantly. Tap the three-dot menu or the more option on any ad and you'll get tools to control what you see. Users can also adjust their ad preferences by going to Settings, Account Center, Account Settings, then Ad Preferences to control over the kind of promotions they see. And if a specific ad starts annoying you, hiding it is simple. For channel ads, tap the sponsored label and choose Hide Ads. For status ads, hit More Options, the 3 dots, and do the same. It's the biggest change WhatsApp has seen. A messaging app built on privacy now stepping boldly into the world of advertising. Whether users love it or hate it, the ads are coming. Are you okay with this update? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. WhatsApp has rolled out a new update for iPhone users, and the focus is on making calls and messages faster, smoother, and easier than ever. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech news. WhatsApp is bringing the biggest change, which is a new feature that lets people send a short voice message right from the call screen when someone doesn't pick up the call. Before this update, users had to hang up, go back to the chat, and then record an audio message. Now, the moment a call goes unanswered, a record voice message button appears, letting users speak and send their message instantly. This makes missed calls feel more personal and helps the other person understand why the call was made without waiting for a text. Sources explain that this update is also helpful when reaching out to new contacts or businesses because it keeps the process simple and safe. Verified business accounts now show a check mark next to their phone number, so users know when they're talking to a real official account. WhatsApp also plans to bring the same idea to video calls, soon allowing people to send short video messages when a video call isn't answered. Call screen is getting a makeover too, and now it's more clean. Users can now start a call with one tap, even with large groups of up to 31 people. They can plan calls using a scheduling button, dial numbers directly with a keypad, and quickly reach people they talk to the most through a new favorite section. This makes the call area feel more organized and easier to handle. Although many iPhone users already have these tools after installing the newest App Store update, WhatsApp is still improving it to make sure everything works smoothly before rolling it out to everyone. Do you think this update will be helpful? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. WhatsApp is giving group chats a major glow up, and now you can finally label your friends or frenemies exactly how you want. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. WhatsApp is testing a new feature that lets users add personalized tags to group members, making it easier to identify who's in the chaos of group chats. According to WA Beta Info, this beta feature allows you to assign a 30-character long tag to yourself or others, giving a clear snapshot of your role or your personality in the group. Whether it's a new group or one that's been around for years, this feature promises to make navigation simpler and more fun. The tag appears only in the group where it's assigned, and it doesn't carry over to other chats, keeping things organized and relevant. Adding a tag is simple. Just open the group chat on WhatsApp for Android, head to Chat Info, select your name, type your custom tag, and hit save. And instantly, your new identifier is visible to everyone in the group. A perfect mix of clarity and personality. Beta testers on Android are currently enjoying this new tool, which hints at a wider rollout coming soon for all users. Think of it as the perfect way to tell everyone what you do in the group, whether you're the admin, the meme king, or just the quiet observer who suddenly drops the best gifs. This edition marks another step in WhatsApp's ongoing effort to make group communication more organized, personal, and fun, because sometimes names alone just don't cut it. Get ready to tag, label, and finally know who's really in your WhatsApp groups. Your chats will never look the same again. So, what name are you giving yourself? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.